everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about our color correcting tinted moisturiser. I absolutely love this product because you can literally just take a pump out. It does have an airless pump, so there's literally no product wastage, and it does keep it very hygienic. You literally pump it out and you can just apply it to your face like a moisturizer. So for me, being a busy mom, this is my go-to product that still makes me feel slightly human. It does also counteract redness, and it does assist with age spots as well. So I'm going to show you how I use it. Literally just a pump on my hand, and I just dot it on. There we go. And just dot it on, and I rub it in. So there you have it. There is my 2-second mummy product that I absolutely cannot live without. Once it's on, it does provide a mechanical shield from the sun as well. It is not a chemical shield from the sun, which is another thing that I love about it. And the other thing that I love about it is that it can also be applied under our foundation if you did want thicker or heavier coverage, or just worn alone if you are in a hurry. So I hope you enjoyed how I apply my tinted moisturizer, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.